Every day I come in and she trouble me. See her, yeah? Vlogger, I want to beat her up when you see her. Don't beat her up, cuss her. You know, say hello. Oh, what you just say? Every day vlogger, she trouble me. I'm always nice to her, you know. Tell me some black. See, you wanna see that? Alright, wanna see that?
Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Vlogger, so me there in the night, you know. It is 15 past 12. We are going to touch the road, vlog world. Yeah, we are go Fridays we keep a Devon house. And we are go MVP we keep a Pulse. They are wait on the taxi and things. So make we see what go on. We might pass through Jinx by Melissa and thing. I don't know, whole heap of place. Make we see how the night go on and the vibes go on. Now try. I never been to Devon house Fridays before. Nice little spot. I try to see if I can build a little vibes. Hopefully I book up on people who I know. Yeah, I don't really go up by myself like that still. I might just link up with the rest of the team. They are MVP, Apples, and thing me there. I wait on the cab and things. So yeah, big up on yourself. And just go on journey with the boy. We're gonna have some fun.
Connect. Yeah, see Prima G. Yeah. Where we are at? Cuban. Link. Cuban. We a big connect. Cuban. Yeah.
Let me just go get home. Yo, I couldn't get for vlog everything because the place dark and it pack. And then my vibes did broke. So nice they got uptown vibes, but yo, my people them never roll. Tonisha them never roll. Curry them in a VIP. Candy them and Kelly them and all of them people they and Neil them. Them cut early. I book up a bag of other woman. But yo, just come on my yard. Come out supposed to all meet all the rest of the team at MVP. I never want to spend no money, man. I never buy nothing for drink. The vibes, yo, I don't know. Probably because, the vibes just never right. Probably because most of my people them never did it. But I get some rest. Tomorrow I got the studio. I'm going to link up some rest of some people. So hopefully the vibes change and we just build a vibes. You see, right now, when I'm on 3:25 a.m. in the morning. So hopefully our next vibes build. You know what I mean? Yeah, some of the stars go and kick it back and do my thing until I drop asleep. You know what I mean? So pick up on yourself, vlog where I see you the next morning or later on, I should say. That's it. I got a studio. Go sort out some work. So go on journey there, boy.
But bad like a cartel song, yo, Chuck Star. Tell us I'm sweet like tambourine. I'm in the new to the girl thing.
Good morning, vlog world. I just wake up. Literally just got out of my bed. My bed is looking awful. It's very dirty. But whatever. Be a foolish step on it. There it is. I don't care. I'm living a real life and I'm sharing my life with you guys. It is 10:16. Me get up 10 o'clock. Mackie them shout me. Me have so much things to do. Yeah. I just got up. Supposed to go studio today at 10:30. And look what me there, 10:16. But I was awake early. I woke up my road manager and the whole crew. I was like, boy, get your black ass out of the bed. You think we reach me on vacation? Shit, I want to make some money. Let's go. Get your ass up. Yeah. So, I go buy some new song. Today by the studio. I'm hungry. I go bed first and go a vibe. And just come on journey with the boy still. Look here. I trapped the birdie. I'm going to try to help her or him Oh, come here. Oh God, Oche. We got stuck in here. See that vlog world? Oh God. Let me help you. Between my curtain and so come. Oh God, please don't make this bird do me anything. Come. Look there. No, wrong way, birdie. Wrong way. No, Jesus Christ. Come. Go on. Yeah, fly. This way. God, why this birdie don't listen me instruction? Hey, this way, yes. My God. See you free there now. What is wrong with your birdie? Get some ear, man. Relax. You alright? Yo, from morning me hear the noise in there. You alright? Yeah, man. Go on, man.
You not catch it, but that's all life.
You want me to that pitch cards?
Same way I do it, but don't go stack up with crane. No, the one man enough it have to stack up with crane. Just do that.
Post on the hill and care on the lane. More money no fit have stack up with crane.
Rough on it.
More money no fit have stack up with crane. Man want get rich for me reach 50. Them fin know say your money man a free. More money stack up in the ends. Man want get rich for me reach 50. Them fin know say your money man a free. More money stack up in the NC. Post on the hill and care for the lane. More money no fit have stack up with crane. Them fin know say your money man a free.
I vlogger, so pretty much we done you know. They're my studio and thing. Yeah. I touch out you know and thing and the whole crew see them there. Kid and them and Sing J them, you see it? Keeps them there. You know what I mean? Yeah man. And things so team are there. So yeah, it's been an eventful day. We shot it up fast, we never take too long. And thing, so supposed to go link Mackie them there now. Thing look like we'll get some rain. Look at that sky, see that? Oh, so but they are still, you see it, so I'm just going to journey there boy. And we'll take it easy. Yes, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I whole team that is it. So anyway, the day of vlog world is it. Walk on vlog world. I'm here at my yard. Well, my second yard. I left the studio. So today I watch some movie. And pretty much I'm there with about I'm tired. Hello everybody. I want to meet my sister.
Bruh.
Just say hi. Say hi, you know. Just lift up your hand and say hi now.
No, yeah, you'll later when we finish.
Watch out. Go in the yard. We there we yard. Nobody, my sister that she's just being a punk right now. She know I go on the camera. That anyway vlogger, that's my sister. You know why she want to look pretty for me don't put her up on my Instagram. I'm tell her happy birthday. So yeah, no. We're there, I chill. I watch movie, so yeah. Go on journey there boy, you see it. Later.
No, when the camera ready.
Vlog girl.
Hi.
And she say hi. Unlike some people.
Will you?
Yeah. Some beautiful people. My family. Oh, we say family. I don't like that song there.
I love that song.
Every time I play and people go in a video and say somebody dead.
Bruh.
That song they curse. I see you sing it. Especially since
That
Sunday
you could buy
dead.
me a food.
A German boy.
Fish what?
You know what, vlog girl? Let me trace that giant boy here first. Hold on, 1 second. Go on journey there. Vlog girl. Another day with the on the road again. Should be out. The adventure of me, Sinus and Mackie. We on the road, black one, you see. We wash clothes and we wash about, you see it. So, yeah. You see? Oh yeah, the lift stop work, so I have to take the stairs. A joke thing. Anyway, vlog girl. One party I keep it with name. What name? The rude word there. Bucket. You see it, so yeah. Yo, if me didn't know, to be honest, vlog girl, Moon I go there so instead of what name? Moon I go there so instead of what is up the name? Fridays. I better me go MVP. You see it? So yeah. I go on today. I didn't know a vlog, but everything happened for a reason. Cause next thing yeah, the party they crazy still, but any vlog over there. Let's go on journey with the boy. You see, I'm the one get copyright sex, let me go to everybody out here to act.
But bad like a cartel song, yo, Chuck Star. Tell us I'm sweet like tambourine. I'm in the new to the girl thing, no. Christian girl can't stop sitting.